Dahil sa sobrang daming ganap kagabi at puyat ako, magme-makeup tayo ngayon. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-conceal ng eye bags, ng redness, ng imperfections. Sana okay ang pagsalubong nyo ng New Year. Kung naririnig nyo yung mass, sobrang lapit ng bahay namin sa simbahan. So, I have to get ready because meron na namang ganap ang pamilyang ito na ayaw tumigil ng kakalabas. I'm gonna do something light lang. Don't forget your primer. Ito yung pinaka-concern ko. Itong aking dark circles na feeling ko halatang-halatang puyat ako. So, I have here two products from Envy. Itong kanilang BB stick and yung kanilang concealers. So, ayan. I'm gonna show you how different they are and how they can work together. So, I'm in the shade taupe. Kitang-kita nyo naman yung shade match. You can use your fingers or brush for spreading this out. So if you're gonna use a BB cream or BB stick like this, what it does to your skin is that it evens out your skin tone. Yung mga minor imperfections nyo like redness, pores, madali niyang matatago. Meron din tong squalane that can moisturize your skin. I'd like to use this kung sobrang light lang ng kailangan kong coverage kasi this has light to medium coverage. So, ang ginawa niya lang, in-even out niya yung skin tone and mas radiant looking yung skin. Nagiging powder finish siya, so you don't need to set this anymore kung hindi mo kailangan. Etong product lang na to, pwedeng-pwede na. Pero ako, I tend to set my base with powder still kasi I have oily skin type. So, I want my makeup to last the whole day. Pagka ganito na, like I have, ito papakita ko sa inyo, meron akong blemish dito from a pimple. Tapos, ito ang eye bags ko. I want to conceal. I'm gonna need a more opaque product to use. So, ang gagamitin ko yung concealers nila. I have here the shade 05 and 08. Itong 05, this is my perfect shade and can easily cancel out the dark tones in my under eye. Tapos, itong number 8 naman, I use this to kind of bring back dimension sa face ko. Pwedeng gamitin nyo to as is, nang hindi na ginagamitan ng BB stick. Pero ako, I like to use them together kasi mas cohesive yung nagiging look ko kapag naka-base ka na with the BB stick, tas lalagyan mo lang ng concealer. Pero kung spot concealing lang yung kailangan mo, pwedeng ito lang yung gamitin mo sa mga areas na you need to conceal. So, I'm gonna use a buffer brush again. Tingnan nyo na lang na konting-konti lang. Ayan. It can easily cover up yung redness. Wala na agad yung redness. Meron akong redness dito sa nose area. Ayan. Pwede ring fingers din yung gamitin. Konting-konting product lang can make a huge difference. So, kitang-kita nyo yung brightened na under eye nito kaysa dito. Pero kasi, without using the BB cream, medyo masyadong bright naman yung under eye kung hindi natin in-even out yung skin tone. So ako, gusto kong ginagamit yung BB stick muna all over the face, saka ako naglalagay ng concealer sa under eye. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano siya gagamitin alone, without the BB stick. So para mas pantay siya, maglalagay lang ako ng BB stick dito para lang mas awake yung skin natin. Mas gusto ko kasi yung finish nito yung BB stick with the concealer. Pwedeng brush, pwedeng i-glide to straight sa face. See, mas even out na yung skin tone and mas radiant yung itsura. Mas merong healthy looking glow. Tapos, as you blend it, it turns semi-matte. So, hindi ka mag-worry if you have oily skin type kasi hindi siya greasy looking. Mukha lang siyang healthy. So, yung concealer, pwede mo siyang gamitin under your foundation or over your foundation, whichever you prefer. Yun ang maganda sa Envy Concealers. Very versatile siyang gamitin. So, to bring back dimension naman dun sa face, yung sinasabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, I use a darker concealer for shading my face. So, with the same buffer brush, nilalagay ko lang to dito para lang magkaroon ng dimension. Jawline, cheeks, and yung favorite ko sa nose area, konting-konting shading, instant nose job. Tap mo lang to, kailangan lang hindi visible yung lines para natural looking. So, pag naka-side, wala kang nakikitang linya. Pag naka-front, kitang-kita mo yung definition ng nose mo. Finishing this off with a neutral pink peachy blush. Dito lang ako naglalagay. Ayan. So, blend mo lang. Ayan. Kita nyo yung natural flush na nabigay ng ating cream blush. I always like to mattify my face kasi nga I have oily skin type. Kuha lang tayo ng setting powder and lightly dust this all over the face. And ito na yung tsura ng skin natin. Very skin-like yung finish. And mas gradient lang siya, mas even out lang yung skin tone, and mas less haggard looking kasi kinonceal nga natin yung under eye natin. So kung beginner ka sa makeup at medyo nalilito ka pa, all you need is just your BB stick and your concealer and you're good to go. Ibang mga items na to, i-add mo na lang to along the way as you learn how to do your makeup. Pero for beginners, okay na okay tong dalawa na to. So, yun lang guys. Paalis na rin kami. I'll see you guys on my next video.